Welcome to EduRev.
I am your mentor, Anil Kumar. I have done my MBA from Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Pune. For the last 18 years, I have been training students for CAT, XAT, and the other MBA entrance examination. Today, we continue with number series part 2. Now, in my last lecture, we covered the first four types of number series. Today, we will cover rest type of number series. Fine. In my last lecture, we have completed prime number series, perfect square series, perfect cube series, and arithmetic series. These four were completed in my last lecture. Today, we'll start with geometric, mixed, arithmetico geometric, and alternate series. Now, let us start with geometric series. Now, you all would have read geometric progression. A set of numbers is said to be in geometric series if we multiply each term by a common number to get the next term. For example, if I say 2, if I multiply 2 by 3, I get 6. If I multiply 6 by 3, I get 18. If I multiply 18 by 3, I get 54. If I multiply 54 by 3, I get 162, so on and so forth. Fine. So this series is said to be as GP series. Fine. Understood? Similarly, a series where each successive number is obtained by either multiplying or by dividing. We can multiply as well as we can divide the previous number by a specific number. Let us take an example. Suppose this series is given to you 4, 12, 36, 108, 324. Now what I have done, I have multiplied 4 by 3. 4 threes are 12. Again I multiplied 12 by 3. 12 threes are 36. Again I multiplied 36 by 3. 36 threes are 108. 108 into 3 is 324. Hence 324 into 3 will give me 972. Therefore, in the question mark, we'll write 972. Understood, guys? Fine. Let us take one more example. 1792, comma 448, comma 1112, comma 28. Now, when numbers are large, fine, then it might strike you, oh, I need to divide these terms. Fine, because difference is huge. Now 1792 divided by 448, I get 4. 448 divided by 112, I get again 4. 112 divided by 28, again get 4. Therefore, 28 divided by 4, I'll get 7. Need to divide 28 by 4 to get 7. Hence, the missing number is 7. It needs practice, guys. We have just started to learn the concepts. The more we practice, the more comfortable we would be with the number series. Fine. Now, let us take one more example. 3, 6, 18, 90, 630. Now, uh, generally, the moment you see 3, 6, you understand how it's into 2. 3 2s are 6. Into 3, 6 3s are 18. Now, as a student, my next prediction would be 18 fours are. But 18 fours are is 72. I observe it is 18 fives are. And then 19 sevens are is 630. Then I understand, oh, it's not consecutive numbers product, it is prime numbers product. 2, 3, 5, 7, these are prime numbers. Hence, 6, the next term should be 630 into after 7, which is the prime numbers, 11. Guys, in my last lecture, I have asked you to remember prime numbers from 1 to 100. This is important prime number. Squares, you need to mug up from 1 to 30, I asked you, and cube from 1 to 15. These all should be properly memorized such that this series starts striking you. Otherwise, it becomes very, very difficult. You need to do this again and again. Mug up this prime number squares and cubes. Fine. Now 630 into 11 will give me 6930, which is the next term. Fine, guys. The first type of series is said to be as geometric series. Now, a new type of series, mixed series. series where more than one pattern is arranged in a single series. You'll have only one series, but there is more than one pattern being used. That means, suppose I say, take an example, 5, 12, 26, 54, 110, and then they ask you what is the next term. Now, you need to be very, very observant. 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 into 2 plus 2 gives me 12. 12 into 2 plus 2 gives me 26. So what I'm observing? I'm multiplying any term by 2 and adding 2 to get the next number. That means 26 into 2 will give me 52 and plus 2 will give me 54. Hence I get 54. Similarly, 54 twos are 108 plus 2 gives me 110. Therefore, the next missing term would be 110 into 2, which gives me 220, and plus 2 will give me 222. Hence, the answer is 222. So, this is said to be as mixed series. Let us take one more example. Now, here it is given 6, 14, 31, 67, 141, and then the missing number. Again, we observe 6 twos are 12 plus 2. But 14 twos are 28 plus 2 is 31. But we observe 14 into 2 plus 3 is 31. Now 31 into 2, ideally it should be 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. But here we observe 31 into 2 is 62. And if it should have been plus 4, then it should have been 66. Where it is plus 5, then it comes 67. So we are adding 2, 3, 5, 7. And they are all of them are not odd numbers. We observe all of them are prime numbers. This should be very, very clear. The terms that we are adding, whether they are prime numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, consecutive numbers, you need to be very, very vigilant. Therefore, the next term would be 141 into 2, which gives me 282 plus after 7 the next prime number is 11. So plus 11 which gives me 293. Clear guys? This was into 2 plus prime numbers. Into 2 plus prime numbers. Fine? So this was about mixed series. Now arithmetico-geometric series. Arithmetico-geometric series. As the name suggests, it is arithmetic plus geometry. That means a series which is a combination of arithmetic series as well as geometric series. What is arithmetic series? Where we add a common number or subtract a common number to get the next term. Geometric series where we multiply or we divide to get the next term. Clear guys? Now let us see. 2, 5, 10, 13, 26, 29. Let us observe some pattern. Here we are observing plus 3. Here we are observing into 2. Again plus 3. Again into 2. Again plus 3. So next should be into 2. 29 twos are 58. Hence next term is 58. Fine guys. Let us see one more example. 5, 2, 8, 5, 20, 17, and then the missing term. We observe here the difference is minus 3. And then we observe here it is into 4. Then again minus 3 into 4. Again minus 3. The next term should be into 4. 17 fours are 68. Hence the missing term is 68. Hope you are understanding guys. Fine. Now the last type of series, that is alternate series. A series where two series is combined into a single series. You will have two series 5, 2, 8, 6, 11, 10, 14. We observe 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. So here first series is an arithmetic series. Let us see rest of the numbers. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Therefore, 10 plus 4, 14. Even this number should be 14. Clear, guys? The question was formed with the help of two arithmetic series. One starting with 5, 5, 8, 11, 14, and one starting with 2 with a common difference of 4. 4, 2, 6, 10, and again 14. Hence, the next term would be 14. Let us take one more example. Now it is given 3, 2, 7, 6, 11, 18, 15. Now 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. So we are adding plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Clear? Now here we observe, here the difference is 4, but the next difference is 12. So that means 2 3s are 6 into, we are doing now into 6 3s are 18. Therefore, next term should be 18 threes are. What is 18 threes are? 54. Hence, the missing term is 54. Here, there was two series. One series was an arithmetic series with a common difference of plus 4, and another series was a geometric series with a multiplying factor of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Hence, the next term is 54. Fine, guys. With this, we come to the end of concept of all the series. Now let us solve few questions on number series. Now, as I said, there are three types of question that comes in number series. One is where the term is missing. This is one example where the term is missing. You need to find the missing term. Now let us, all of us, try this question. So pause this video and try to solve this. Solution is given in the next slide. Fine. Let us observe now. Here it is 2, difference 3, then difference 5. The most common way of solving is a difference. So we observe here difference is 2, here difference is 3, here difference is 5. But the next difference is 9. It is neither odd nor consecutive nor prime. Therefore, something else need to be thought of. Fine. Now let us see what else can we think. Now 4 into 2 minus 2. 6 into 2 minus 3. 9 into 2 minus 4. We are getting a pattern. 14 into 2 minus 5. Therefore, next term should be 23 into 2 minus 6. 23 twos are 46. 46 minus 6 is 40, which is option C. Fine. So this is the way we proceed. Solution of same thing I have written here. 4 into 2 minus 2 is 6. 6 into 2 minus 3 is 9. 9 into 2 minus 4 is 14. 14 into 2 minus 5 is 23. Therefore, next term should be 23 into 2 minus 6, 40, which is option C. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Fine, guys. Now, the second type of question I asked you, where a set of numbers are given to you. Out of this, one number is odd man out or which is wrongly placed. You need to find the term which is wrongly placed or the odd man out. Fine. Now let us observe this series. So we are observing 2 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 5. We are getting a series. Plus 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. It's a alternate series. Two series is mixed. Now we are observing 4 threes are 12. 12 threes are 36. If this would have been 36, 36 threes are. So fine. Every term is into 3 into 3. So that means this 35 should have been 36. This number is wrongly placed. Hence 35 is wrongly placed. Instead of 35, we should have 36. Now, same, I have given the solution. It's a two alternate series. First arithmetic series by adding 5, 2, 7, 12, 17. And second series obtained by multiplying 3, 4, 12, 36, 108. Therefore, 35 is wrongly placed. 36 will be the correct number here. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Now, third type, wherein a series given to you based on the same pattern, a different incomplete series given to you. You need to follow the same pattern and answer the missing number. Now here, since there are only three terms, the most common is to find common difference. Fine. Now 67 plus 17 is 84 and 84 plus 11 is 95. The same pattern should be followed here. Let us observe here it is plus 11. That means it is following the same pattern. Here the difference should be plus 17. Now in what number if I add 17 I get 133. That is 116. Hence 116 is the answer. Same I have given you the series. I have written pattern which is followed in first series need to be followed in second series as well. Very, very important in such type of questions. The difference between first two term is 17 and the last two term is 11. Same here it should be 17 and 11. So 133 minus 70 is 116, which is option A. Hence option A is the correct answer. With this, we come to the end of concept of number series. In my next lecture, we'll be solving now question on number series. Fine guys, since the entire concept of number series is over, you can visit our site at Wave Infinity and start solving questions, start giving tests as well because you'll get national ranking on those tests. And these questions are prepared by CAT expert. More than 10,000 questions spread across different chapters are uploaded there for practice purpose. And all those questions are up to the level of CAT. Fine guys, we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.